Hello, today I'm going to talk about the design rule which is called vias NoNet, which means that the vias which don't have any net name with the default design rule, Altium designer cannot detect that. So to detect such kind of vias, we have to define some rules, uh, which I also did for the track which don't have any kind of net name. In my previous video, the link I have provided in the description, so you can check that one also. But here we will talk about this via NoNet name. So to detect such kind of vias, what you have to do, let me first show you what exactly I mean. For example, so this is my layout for a simple series voltage regulator. If you have seen my previous videos, then I use this schematic to explain the design rule of Altium. So I'm using the same design or same layout. Here you can see that this VI is having net name. Here you can see that, which is called net d1 underscore 2. So let me remove the net name from this VIA and report this. So that's how it looks like. And when I will run the design rule here, so here you can see that it cannot detect such kind of vias. So to detect such kind of vias, for example, if you have a small layout, then maybe you can see such kind of vias. But if you have a big PCB and you have like thousands of vias, then it's really very difficult to detect such kind of to see with the open eyes such kind of vias. So for that, what we can do to detect such kind of vias, we can define the design rule. And to define that design rule, what you have to do, you have to go to the design and then you have to open the rules. In the design rules, you have to go to the routing, and in routing here, routing via style, and here right click, add a new rule. Let's call this rule routing vias no net. Where the object matches, you have to choose the custom query, and we will write here the custom query. So in bracket, so right here like is via. So what basically this query will do, it will check all the vias. Then we have to do the combination of another logical expression. Let's say it has to check all the vias, and those vias should be like you have to write here not in any net. So this in any net will return normally. So it will check all the vias which is having a net name, and here we are saying that not, which means that it will return us the vias which don't have the net name. So the next thing is that what we have to do, we have to set the via diameter and the via hole size. So here you have to go for the maximum hole size so that it will cover all kind of vias. So let's say here 100 millimeter minimum, maximum is also 100 millimeter, and preferred is also 100 millimeter, and hole size let's say 90 millimeter, here also 90 millimeter, and preferred is also 90 millimeter. Yeah, so that's how you can define the rule. So here apply, okay. So to apply the design rule, make sure that one of the via is not having any kind of net name. So okay, then to apply the design rule, what you have to do, you have to go to the tools, choose design rule check, run design rule check. So as soon as you run the design rule check, here you can see that it has detected this via, which don't have any kind of net name, and when you will click here, so it will bring you to directly to that via. Yeah, so that's how you can define the design rule for detecting the vias without net name. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.